Picture this, opening your fridge and being hit by a wave of unpleasant smells. Not cool, right? I found myself in that very situation until I stumbled upon Purico's Refrigerator Deodorizer. Using some pretty advanced tech, Purico decomposes those nasty gases into harmless water molecules. Suddenly, my fridge went from stinky to stellar, and my food started staying fresher, longer. And get this, one Purico lasts up to 10 years. That's right, just pop it in and forget about it. No more annual replacements running around. It's practically set it and forget it. For anyone eco-conscious out there, you're gonna love this part. Unlike baking soda or activated carbon, which can create waste, Purico's made from SUS 304 stainless steel. Super effective, zero trash. My guilt-free kitchen hero. If a funky fridge isn't your vibe either, grab yourself a Purico now. Trust me, freshness in a little box. Your nose will thank you.